Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring numbers. Kids colors name yellow color, red color, blue color, yellow ochre color, black color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use yellow color. O and E 1, 2, T W O 2. Kids again use yellow color and draw 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5 and use yellow color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E N 7. It's Nitra 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Kids Nitra 10. The numbers of 10. T E N 10. Kids Nitra 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use yellow ochre color. 17. The numbers of 17 and again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids now draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.